Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jack Cruz coming to you from Stay Home Papa Live. Today we're still at Miracle Flooring. I'm trying to beef up their sales, and so we got products like LVP. Today I'll be featuring LVP. We have a wide variety of colors. You know, it's a very good floor. When I was in California, we installed a lot of this stuff. Very durable, you know. Woo, 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 woo. It's you can scratch it, you know. It's waterproof. That's the big thing. Laminate. It says it's water resistant, but not waterproof. Engineer floor. You get any water in it, it's like a sponge. It soaks it right up. A solid 3/4 inch floor is, I mean, the water eventually will destroy it, but it holds up, but not like these vinyl planks. These vinyl planks are pretty good, you know. Come down to Miracle Flooring on the corner of Broadway and Littleton, and we'll give you guys a good deal. All right? Okay, take care now. Bye.